The new batch of modern T-90M Proryv tanks delivered to combat units of Russian army could not be killed by FPV kamikaze drone hits by Ukrainian UAV operators in the operational zone. Putin called the T-90M Proryv is the best main battle tank in the world and has better protection against deadly enemy drone attacks. Recently, a video posted by Russian war correspondent around May 10th showed a Russian cruise T-90M Proryv receiving multiple hits by Ukrainian FPV drones. 3 precise attacks with high warheads successfully hit the reactive armor. But Ukraine did not expect that Uralvagonzavod's breakthrough, a T-90M equipped with a protective mask, perfectly defended against enemy suicide drones. The armor was almost fine, and the cook did not happen. So, the crew did not stop doing their duties. Another recent video shared by Ukrainian side, a fierce battle with Russian servicemen near Solovyevo on Avdiivka direction. The 2nd Mechanized Battalion and the attack drone company of the 47th Separate Mechanized Brigade Magura of the Armed Forces of Ukraine attempted to repel attacks by several T-90M and Russian infantry. This is amazing. 2 drone attacks struck the tank and it hit quite hard, but the tank remained intact and still running. Nothing was destroyed, and none of the mechanisms were damaged as stated in Ukrainian report. Reactivation of T-90M tank provided effective protection while saving the crew, and they continued to jump safely. Ukraine will exhaust its stockpiles of drone reserves if faced with the new T-90M, the Russian true face. Moreover, as many as 125 tanks are produced per month. Western tanks couldn't take 2 hits and survive, like the German Leopard 2A6, British Challenger 2, or US Abrams. The video shows how a Russian suicide drone hit a Leopard 2A6 tank operated by the armed forces of Ukraine. By just 1 hit, the tank was immediately roasted with thick smoke.